Hi guys! Ali na kayo, magkain na tayo. Ito na yung ating lunch. So naatay ko naatay with pepper steak, no stick.
Oops.
Pepper steak ang ating yan, dako kayo daghan kayo ni atong gi-order guys. Isa ka bandihado ni ba? Grabe ni Saan yan? Chinese food lang.
Careful, honey. Don't knock your drink off the table.
Kita nyo guys?
Honey,
Ha?
you don't want to have your drink on the edge of the table. It might fall.
Okay. Testingan na to guys. O kabaluta. Kayang-kaya guys Kangen. Diba? Ano, get the steak, ano? Bigyan natin si Apam ng steak.
Mom used to try to make this when I was a kid, but it wasn't as good as restaurants. I think I already told you that, huh?
Yeah, I already told me. Tanawa lang steak guys, Nga na mga kapiskot kayo, hungitan ta mo. Kani may lami kayo. Yummy na des. Si Honey gusto niya mo gamit kong chopstick kanon. Lisod kayo ni. Itong paningkamuta, maka-scoop ta. Asa ng kanon guys? Tagaan tayo ni Hanig Broccoli. Napadayon pa ka na ko akong diet guys. Mag-diet pa ka ako ani. Ini lihat. Lihat.
Why you don't finish your soup?
Lihat penyesat.
Probably cold now. I'm trying to remember who it was that said they don't like soup. I think it was Hannah.